Take this clumsy old jug that you have to open up the valve, sometimes tilt to get the water out, to this. Alright, we've got the automatic water dispenser, which on the side has its technical 5 specifications, as well as it's small and easy to handy. It has maternal and child standard silicone tube. Capacity available for barbecue. And I do like me some barbecue, so this is great. So you just take your old Reliance Walmart water jug or any other jug you might want to retrofit. This pretty inexpensive water pump and this adapter. I need for this a 1-inch barb that this will go into the center of. So you need that for sure. And then you take the 3/4 MIP is what's needed to retrofit into this jug. So if you got a different jug, you might just need a different thread pattern here. We'll get into it. All this about 12 bucks. To the lid, I'm going to cut it off a little bit more so that way this just sets down a little further on it. Perfect. Got the hose pushed on there. Got this little thing on the other end. And so you just have to feed it down into here. And it's hard. There it goes. And then this just presses right down on top of there. Yep, there it is.
Can I try? Is it good?